welcome back to my channel. Today I will dive into something very interesting topic, inner working of the generative orchestration for knowledge source in Copilot Studio. So essentially I will talk about like how how the Copilot optimize the query with the previous context, and then I will show you how to use the custom knowledge source. So let me go to Copilot Studio. Let me first show you how the Copilot Studio optimize the query, right? So essentially, let me go to this topic which I built earlier. And before I go to the technical part, let me first show you the demo. Let me first ask the question, how many accounts are available? And let me intentionally make some mistakes here. Spelling mistake. So now essentially what will happen here, it will go and interact with the Dataverse DB, then it will answer the question, right? So if you see here, before answering this question, it displayed some message, right? So basically here, what it is showing here is it's showing the optimized query, right? Which internally Copilot Studio orchestrator use it, right? So here actually it created a two type of query, one for the keyword search or lexical search optimized query, another query for the semantic search query, right? So it converted my query to how many accounts are available in the system, like proper semantic friendly query, right? Semantic search friendly query. And then here for the keywords keyword search friendly query, right? And then it passed this query to the Dataverse, and then Dataverse answered this, right? So now let me show you the second thing here. Like when it build this optimized query, what it also does is it remember the previous context, right? And let me show you how it remember, right? So let me go, and from this account table, let me pick this account name, and let me just ask, provide me detail of something. So what I'm doing here is I'm not providing the like for which they have, it has to provide me answer, right? So I'm just provide me a detail, right? So since earlier I asked regarding the accounts, so it remembers the context, and it will answer for this question in context of the account, right? So let's see. So essentially, first thing what it did, it built this optimized query, and if you see here in the semantic search query, it referred the account, right? But I have not provided the account some in my query, right? So it uh, created a optimized query like provide detailed information about the account name, this, right? And then it provided the account detail, right? So essentially it remembered the previous context, and then it linked that previous context with my query, current query, and then it built a optimized query for that, and it passed that optimized query to the knowledge source. Now let me jump into the second thing, which is using the custom knowledge source, right? So essentially, Copilot Studio has a lot of inbuilt knowledge source which we can go and add here, like SharePoint, Dataverse, Azure AI Search, right? But in some scenario, you might want to add your own knowledge source, right? So you want to create your own topic and then want to add the knowledge source, right? So in that case, actually, we can create a custom topic and add the knowledge source, right? But the important thing here is we have to use the own knowledge requested trigger for that, right? Because when the Copilot Studio orchestrator determine that it is retrieving the information, then it trigger this specific topic, right, where it has a own knowledge requested trigger. And essentially this trigger is not available on the UI, right? So to add this trigger, we have to switch to the code editor, and in the code editor, right, you see here, what I did, I went here and you can see these are the different trigger available. So I copied this on knowledge requested trigger, and let me just close this. So with this trigger actually, it provide some these system variables, the keyword search or the search query for the semantic search. So these specific variables are only available with this trigger, right? This is not available for the normal trigger or normal topic, right? So we can get this optimized queries variables only with this trigger. And then what I'm doing here is, in this actually I'm making a call to my custom knowledge source, and since I have a access to these system variables, right, this optimized query variables, so I'm using this here, I'm passing, and then I'm getting the response and I'm displaying here, right? So this is how you can you can use the custom knowledge source and use the optimized query with that, right? So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, comment, and subscribe for the future deep dive. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.